Eyewitness News at 5.
Strokes are the third leading cause of death for Americans. A report in this week's Journal of the American Medical Association says that hospitals that are designated stroke centers have a higher patient survival rate. Eyewitness News reporter David Navarro found a number of them are right here in our area.
Paul Stacy is on the road to recovery now, but he knows how close he came to not making it.
I was getting disillusioned. Nothing was making sense. I was getting weak on the left side.
Doctors say Stacy was having a stroke. When an EMS team reached him, they had a choice. But instead of rushing him to the nearest hospital, they opted to take him to the closest designated stroke center.
We've been trying to manage his blood pressure.
The decision could have been the difference between life and death. Stroke is the leading cause of long-term disability and the third leading cause of death. A new study released in the Journal of the American Medical Association finally gives empirical data to something many in the medical field already believed, that the establishment of designated stroke centers has increased the chances of survival for many patients.
You have emergency department physicians trained in recognizing stroke. You have a stroke team available 24/7. And for comprehensive stroke centers, you have neuroendovascular specialists.
The study found patients taken to stroke centers like St. Luke's Roosevelt Hospital have a 2.5% better chance of survival than if they're taken to a non-certified hospital. The key is assessing the patient quickly. Doctors have about a 4-hour window to treat a stroke patient. At Roosevelt Hospital, they've set up a special stroke team that can be deployed rapidly to patients in any of the hospitals in its system. The hospital is also the first in the city to use a new cutting-edge technique to remove blockages. There are currently 56 New York hospitals in and near the city that are state-designated stroke centers. In all, 119 in the state. For patients like Paul Stacy, the more the better. David Navarro, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.